So this had to have been the path of the tornado because you could see the trees and everything broken here.
So the last thing that you received from your mom was a message that she loves you and she sent you a picture of the tornado coming.
Yes.
So you didn't know what was going to happen.
No. Just looking at the picture that my mom sent me the minutes before it hit, and she called me to tell me she loved me, and I thought that was the last time I was going to hear from my family. They were in the bottom, and the tornado was pushing down on them. That they just told each other they loved each other, and they thought that was going to be it.
Oh my God, are you okay?
I think I got a broken leg.
You got a broken leg?
I think so.
Oh my God.
I know the man that helped your father, Steve Lasker. He's been in the news business forever. But on that day, he ended up basically being a first responder.
Okay.
I actually got a good chance to talk with him this morning. I couldn't thank him enough for being there for my dad and my mom and saving my family.
Wait, which leg? That one?
Because I don't know what would have happened if they didn't. I'm right near the spot where they saved my dad and my mom. That's where they were found. They were in a closet, and this is the crawl space that was beneath their bedroom. The tornado came from this direction. The roof came down on them. It dragged them down, and they went through the floor here. Yeah, I thought that was the last time I was ever going to talk to them.
Where are they going to live now? What are they going to do?
We don't know. That's why we're trying to do a GoFundMe, and we're trying to figure this out. Relief for Roxanne and Gary tornado disasters. It's just hard. Like my mom said, everything that they've worked for 65 years was taken away in one tornado. I just thank God my parents are alive. There's no way that God wasn't with them that day.
She says her father recently retired as a union pipe fitter, and he and his wife lost everything. Even their cars were destroyed.